President of Emery. No.
Start rolling, then I'm going to say go.
When have you
ever said
go? Yeah.
Go.
He never says go.
Oh, he always goes.
No, he just
rolling.
says, well, you guys start when you want to start.
Yeah, okay, we're rolling.
All right, what do you say we start?
Okay.
Hi, I'm Steve Thompson, president of Emery Thompson Machine.
I'm Christy Brown, vice president of sales and marketing.
And Christy's the machine.
No, we gotta start.
Hi, I'm Steve Thompson. Am I president? Hi, I'm Steve Thompson. I'm CEO of Emery Thompson Machine.
I'm Christy, and I work with Steve.
And you have a title.
Yeah, vice president of sales and marketing. I think I'm getting all pink like my shirt.
This is going to be a hard day.
It is.
Okay, so why don't you, no, maybe I should start off first.
Yeah.
While you compose yourself.
Yeah.
All right, I like this one. The man says, hi. I have researched several ice cream franchises over the past year and was about to enter into a franchise agreement. I recently noticed your website and I'm very interested in exploring the advantages/disadvantages of making your own homemade ice cream recipes as opposed to using a franchise. That's a great question. I say the answer to that is because he's saying, should I go into a franchise? Franchises are good if you're going into Burger King or McDonald's or something like that where they have nationwide, worldwide notoriety. But when it comes to ice cream, all ice cream is local. Sure, we all know Haagen-Dazs and Ben & Jerry, two companies that Emery Thompson put into business, but how many franchises of ice cream do you know, other than, say, Baskin-Robbins and a couple others that are nationwide? Very few. Like I said, all ice cream is local. So what matters is your own hometown, that you are the homemade ice cream parlor in that town, and people come to you, not only for great ice cream, but for great memories. It's certainly going to be a lot less expensive than paying franchise fees. They're going to want to do a store that is thousands of square feet larger than you really want to do. You may want to come in at 900 square feet. So you're going to save a lot of money doing it on your own and building your own reputation. Also, if you're in the business of wanting to start a franchise of your existing ice cream parlor, double think that one because it's a lot of work. You have to always be maintaining everybody else's stores even though you're not there. Whereas if they're company stores, everything you do is yours. Hello.
Is it my turn?
It's your turn.
I zoned out.
Okay.
I'm not going to lie. Should my machine stay plugged in all the time? No. Reason is there's a lot of things that could happen, especially if you're not in your own building that you personally own or renting. If you are in like a strip mall or with other people in that one big building, there could be a power out, could be a brownout, a blackout, squirrel chewing the line, your next door neighbor decides to catch fire. There's all kinds of...
Your next door neighbor's going to catch fire?
Well, not the neighbor itself,
okay.
the building. They could catch
Didn't
fire.
mean to interrupt.
You never know what could happen. So always at the end of the day, before you go home, unplug your CB350 or 200 or shut off your larger machines when you're done for the day.
We're in the lightning capital of the world here in Tampa, and we always unplug everything. It's just good practice.
No, he unplugs everything.
Yes, I do.
You don't want to come to my house.
Let's see. Our search for a new replacement battery has turned up your website. After making significant investment in our store this year, our business has improved over the last year. However, we are very busy, and the Taylor machine that we have seems to be close to quitting. It is 20 years old. Well, that's a pretty good life. Your 24 would be the best fit for our operation. It's just that dollar-wise is not the best timing. Do you have any suggestions for us? A couple of suggestions. If you've got the time, one of the best things you can do is look into an SBA loan. That's the Federal Government Small Business Administration. The paperwork is a nightmare, so find someone else in your organization to do it. But if you fill out all that paperwork, it's just terrific. You can get a loan backed by the government. What that means is instead of the government sending you a check, they're going to send it to the local bank that you use. Your local banker is going to maintain the account. He's going to be loaning you the money, but his money is going to be backed by the federal government. So everything is just safe and secure. Very low interest rates relative to where things are right now, so worth looking into an SBA loan. Emery Thompson does have financing. We've mentioned that before, Sterling Capital Leasing. We use exclusively, meaning we don't use any other leasing companies. Either of those are two very good options to help you to grow your business.
Good advice. My next one is how do I make recipes for the CB200 if it's a CB350 recipe? Very simple. Cut it in half. CB350 is a 6-quart, a CB200 is a 3-quart. And you would do the same thing if you were looking for a recipe for your CB350 and it's in a CB200. Just double that to make it for the 6-quart. A lot of people forget how simple it is and how easy. And the same thing, when you go up to the 12-quart, you're going to double that one for the 12-quart. You go to the 24, you're going to double it for that one. And you just keep doing that until you go all the way up.
And if the math confuses you, hire a teenager. They're great at all that stuff.
No, they're not. No, they're not.
Well, you have a teenager. She's good at it.
Yeah, at that new Common Core baloney.
Oh, well,
we do basic math.
We're not supposed to get political here today.
Yeah, all right.
I still use an abacus, which nobody knows. Yeah, that's where you slide the things across.
Oh, okay.
Let's see. My question is, how can I fill 8-ounce and 10-ounce containers to sell wholesale? One container at a time is going to take too much time. Do you sell an automatic filler or something similar to fill small containers with just made ice cream from the freezer batches? No, we don't make a filler. We did back in the 40s, 50s, and 60s, a long time ago. And no, I was not around in the 40s and barely in the 50s. But there's a company, has two names. The new name is Sawville, S-A-W-V-E-L, Automation, SawvilleAutomation.com. They used to be known as T.D. Sawville Company. That's for Troy Sawville, the owner. Sawville makes an excellent package filler, under $10,000, and it's a pressurized little system so that you make the ice cream, you pour it into the hopper of the Sawville, and then you push a foot pedal. The pressure sucks the ice cream into a cylinder and then pushes it into your pint or quart or whatever. The beauty of that is everything that went into your Emery Thompson, nuts, candies, cookies, bananas, everything will also go through that filler and push them into the pint. So the ice cream that you have coming out of your Emery Thompson is going to be the same coming out of your Sawville Automation. So if you have any questions, give Sawville Automation a call. Tell them you have an Emery Thompson batch freezer because they build automation machines up to the multi-million dollars. But when you say an Emery Thompson batch freezer, they'll know just what you're talking about.
Well, I think my last one goes great off of that because my question is where can I find the containers or, the supplies and the tubs and the squeeze cups? On our website, there's a tab that says Key Suppliers. Did you go over that?
Yeah.
You did? No, I don't think so. Yeah. Key Suppliers. So if you go to our website, click on the tab that says Key Suppliers. There you will find exactly Sawville Automation. Is that what it is? Yeah, on there. And then you'll also find Digman's Dairy, where you can buy a row pack. You can buy cups and spoons. And a lot of people forget that that's there. I mean, we like talking to you too, but you can always just go to our website and you'll see almost everything there. Where you can find the vanilla Steve talks about, a couple of dairy places, dipping cabinets, push carts, you name it, it's on there. And you can write to us. I'm Christy at EmeryThompson.com, and she is Steve at EmeryThompson.com. That's right. We are very backwards today. This did not go as great as it probably
Anyway, we'll say goodbye. And let's see. Happy 4th of July. So long. Come on, girls. Come on. Come I don't know how we did on this now. They won't get up. No. All right, we're leaving. I'll put the mic over here. Don't forget to take it.